Welcome to my channel. My name's Ashley. I love makeup and I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. I want to start out by putting on a lippy. This is the Milani Color Fetish Hydrating Lip Stain in the shade Pink About It. I absolutely love these. They're moisturizing. They look good on the lips. The color payoff is really good. And I love the staying power as well. Okay, so the video, sorry, I'm just having a really horrible week. Not surprising. Today's palette is going to be the Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening palette by Mandy Makeup. And here is the inside of this palette. Just look at those shimmers. Absolutely gorgeous. And then she did include this really cute little thank you card. And on the back it just says, "Thanks so much, Ashley. We hope you enjoy your new palette." Not sure how well that's going to show up, but I just thought that was really sweet. Like, a lot of brands don't do that. Like, this is handwritten. So yeah, that's just something that was really sweet. And I've never tried this brand before, so I'm excited. I love the color story. Y'all know I love me some shimmer. So let's go ahead, let's get started. I'm thinking of doing like one goldish eye, and I'm not sure what the other one's gonna be. So let's kind of see. Maybe I could do like one gold and one green. I feel like that would be really pretty. So let's go ahead, let's get started. I'm gonna start out with the shade Fire Lit, which is that really pretty mustardy yellow shade. Okay, this shade is really pretty. Now I want to go in with the green shade Mistletoe, which is right there. I'm just going to put this on the outer portion of the eye and just a little bit into the crease. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the glitter glue. Just put that on the inner portion of the eye, or of the lid, sorry. And since this is going to be our greenish eye, I'm really excited about this. We're going to go in with the shade Sparkling Spruce, which is right here, and just is absolutely beautiful. Love, love that shimmer right there. All right. Okay, so now I need to do the lower lash line, and I'm just going to use the shade Lovely Woods right there. I kind of had to step away for a second. My husband was leaving, so I was saying goodbye to him. Okay. And now for the lower inner corner highlight, I want to use this shade White Pine, which is right here. That just looks so, so pretty. And my husband's gone. I let the dogs out. They're playing in the snow, which they love. So hopefully they will behave enough for me to at least mostly finish this look. I'm hoping. If you've been here for a minute, you know my dogs like to go crazy when I'm filming and my husband's not home. So yeah, here's to hoping I can get this video filmed with minimal interruptions. All right, now for the other eye, that's going to be our like brownish, goldish eye. So, what are we going to do? I'm going to start with the shade Cozy Cabin, which is that shade right there. It reminds me of Hot Cocoa. Such a pretty shade. That is just really, really pretty. That is like the perfect transition shade right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Lovely Woods, which is just that really, really, really pretty dark brown shade right there. And we're just going to put that on the outer portion of the eye. Blend it into the crease just a smidge. You know the drill. Okay. Now we're going to take the glitter glue and put that down. The inner portion of the eye. And now we have to decide like which oh man, we have two beautiful harness bells right here, or Frozen Lake, which is right here. These are both really, really pretty. Man, I don't know which one to go with. They're both so pretty. Like y'all know, I just love me some shimmer so, so, so much. Ooh, dang. Okay. You know what? Let's go with Harness Bells. That's the more goldish shade of the two. These shimmers they're like really, really soft. And they go on beautifully. Like, do you see that? That is phenomenal. Just, oh my gosh. Sorry. So pretty. That is, ooh, I love shimmers so much. Y'all know if it sparkles, I love it. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to use that same shade, Lovely Woods, right there. Just going to gently put that on that lower lash line. And then for the lower inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Frozen Lake, which was that other shade right there. Oh, okay, that's really, really pretty too. Just absolutely gorgeous. Phenomenal. Okay. I do want to just kind of go in and just kind of, what is the word I'm looking for? Blend out the lower lash line just a little bit on both sides. Just to kind of give it a, not such a harsh line effect. And then I just kind of want to take a brush with nothing on it and just kind of blend out my edges here on both eyes. Okay. There's like barely any fallout, which is awesome. I'm gonna go do mascara and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this palette is the Stopping by the Woods palette by Mandy Makeup. And here are the looks that I created using this palette. I absolutely, these shimmers are so good. I am a sucker for shimmers. If y'all have been around and you know me, you know that. And this palette was awesome. So you guys, I would give Mandy Makeup a try. This is my first time using the brand, and I don't know, I'm really, really impressed. I love the look that I came out with. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for checking out my channel. I a couple days ago hit 400 subscribers. That is absolutely insane. I never thought that this would happen. So you guys, just thank you so much for the support and the love that you show me and my channel. You have no idea how much that means to me. Just please remember that you are loved, you are amazing, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.